Make a great choice today with
the 2019 Highlander. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, splash guards, body color door handles. Inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, leather seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel, low tire pressure warning. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.